Real quick video here in my little Branson 2505. I was out today cleaning up some storm damage and debris from Hurricane Ian. I think that's how they're saying it. And I called my dealer because I was having a lot of play into this joystick. I mean, you could just wobble that thing all over the place before anything would actually move. And immediately he told me to peel this boot back and look in there to see if any of the nuts were loose. Well, if you take this boot back, all you do is just pull it. There's no bolts or straps or anything like that on it. If you just pull it back and look, see the nuts right there, they hold two little joints that control the three plungers for the hydraulic control. Well, sure enough, one of the nuts was loose, so I tightened it up. Now I have no play in it. Now with that fixed, that gives me way better control of my bucket to do two functions at one time, like lift the boom or roll the bucket. So after I got done cleaning up the debris, I dug me a pit out there to burn all the debris and stuff from the storm. And I decided to build me this ramp going out the backside of my shop. When we poured the cement for the shop, I was planning on building two lean-tos on it, but this was back before COVID hit. And since COVID, I hadn't been able to get anybody to come out here and do the lean-tos. And I didn't want to pour any more cement until the lean-tos were done, because I wanted the lean-to to cover all the footings of the poles holding the shed. But still, I wanted to be able to drive straight through the shop, making things a lot easier on me. And so what I decided to do is take that big pile of dirt that I had, or sand clay, from digging that burn pit, and I built me this little ramp here going into the back side of my shop. Now this part is 15 foot high. Because of the lift, I had to pour the cement at 6 inches. So this is rising up about 6 inches. And I tapered it off almost perfectly. There's no big bumps or rises or anything like that. And I did all this without even getting off the tractor. Never left the seat. I'd go over there to my pile of dirt or clay, and I would pick the clay up, dump it here, take the bucket, lay on top of it. The control's got a float setting. I lock it into float, and as I backed up dragging the dirt, I would roll the bucket. And as I did that, it would kind of compact it and level it at the same time. And as you can see, it turned out almost perfect. I didn't get off of it with a rake. I didn't have to take a shovel and fill any low spots or nothing. But it's perfectly level with the slab. It tapers off at about, I would say, 20 foot. It drops off from 8 inches down to ground level. I drove the van in there just now. It was nice and smooth. You can see the tracks right there where it didn't even sink in. The van's pretty heavy. It's loaded with a bunch of camping gear and stuff. But if you're in the market for a tractor, and if you've been looking at Branson, I wouldn't hesitate a second to get one. Like I say, I bought two. First one I bought, dealer messed it up putting the backhoe on. I liked it, so I went ahead and bought another one just like it, and from Dixie Horse and Mule Company in Alabama. They offered a lifetime warranty with the tractor, and the few issues I've had, they have, taken care of them with great speed and accuracy, and just been all around great about it. There's a dirt pile. And I would just run over here and get a bucket full of dirt, and come back around here, drop it and drag it. And like I said, now with that controller tightened up and being able to do two functions at one time, I did all this here in just over an hour. So if you're looking for a tractor, give Dixie Horse and Mule a call. It won't hurt nothing to give them a call, get you a quote, talk to them, see how you like the way they treat you. And if you buy it from them, I can say from experience, they'll take care of you. You call them, they answer the call. If they need a person in a different department to contact you back, he'll contact you back when they say they will. And it was all around good experience. When I bought the tractor from them, they delivered it from Alabama in 2 days. Yeah, I thought that was real good. So I'm gonna wrap it up here, but if you're looking for a good little tractor, you compare apples and oranges and all that good stuff together, look at the cost of tractors, the warranty on tractors, the dealer's attitudes and competence level. I don't think you can go wrong with the little Branson or TYM or RK. But whatever Dixie Horse and Mule will be selling in 2023, I think, yeah, you'd make a safe bet to buy one from them. But that's it right there. I thank y'all for watching. I hope this helps you out in some way. You know, the little tractors work great. Yanmar engine, almost 25 horsepower, somewhere between 24 and 25 horsepower. 4-wheel drive. This particular one's hydrostatic, high and low range. That's 2 pedals right there. Tractor's got a lot of ground clearance. That's one reason why I chose this brand. I like the ground clearance on it. I like the taller tires than it has compared to some of the other compacts. You know, it don't feel much like a compact. It's almost the same exact size as my Ford 1600. Other than my Ford 1600 has these huge turf tires on it. And they're not tucked in close to the tractor like this. They stick out further on it. But I like this because I'm using it around my house and I don't have a whole lot of room. And this maneuvers really well. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.